In this video tutorial, we'll show you how to permanently delete your browser history using BCWipe with default settings. There is a longer process with more advanced settings. Now, in this video, we'll show you the quick and simple way. Open BCWipe Task Manager. Click on the Browser History tab. BCWipe will automatically find the browsers installed on your system. You can use BCWipe Task Manager to wipe all traces of your internet browsing history stored on your computer. For example, temporary internet files, cache, cookies, history, saved passwords, last active tabs, website addresses, images, saved forms, and so on. Click on the Wipe button below the browser where you want to wipe the internet history. You can also select specific items to wipe from the list, or exclude items you don't want to wipe. Click Start to begin the process immediately. You can wipe your other browsers the same way. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to quickly wipe your browser history with BCWipe. Thank you for watching. We hope you will be satisfied with our software.